Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ahmed Al-Kabi, and I'm a co-founder at Tourist General Trading. Today at SGI 2021, I'll be speaking to you about a topic that might be of interest: the future of 3D printing industry in the United Arab Emirates. However, to speak about the future, we must take a look at the past, at the history of 3D printing. 3D printing as an industry commercially became viable in the year 2013. Back then, the marketplace and the industry of 3D printing was basically the Wild West. It was full of startups and new companies that were untested. Nobody expected that within a few years, between 2013 to 2019, 3D printing grew to a $10.4 billion industry. That's right, that's a billion with a B. Furthermore, it is projected to reach $54.96 billion by 2027, in less than 10 years from now. And this information has been gleaned via Fortune Business Insights. We cannot talk about the future of 3D printing industry in the United Arab Emirates without talking about Dubai Future Foundation's vision for 3D printing in turning the UAE into the leading global hub of 3D printing by the year 2030. We at Tourist General Trading plan on being at the forefront of this initiative by exceptional service in the 3D printing industries, as well as manufacturing our very own 3D printers here in the UAE. And we plan on meeting the demands of this industry in all sectors, from construction to consumer goods, and even in health and wellness. We have taken the initiative by prototyping our very first large-scale 3D printer, which can print in volumes of 2 meters cubed, with a modular and scalable design. And with this scalability, it can be used for anything, from making large-scale decorations for your house, up to actually 3D printing your house. And this is just the first step that we'll be taking in order to enter this 3D printing industry and have the UAE be the leading global hub for 3D printing. Let us take a look at the key industries in which 3D printing and additive manufacturing has played a role. Aerospace and defense is one of the earliest adopters of 3D printing, going back as far to 1989. 3 decades later now, aerospace and defense represents a 16.8% share of the $10.4 billion additive manufacturing market, and it contributes heavily to the ongoing research in the industry. The reason being, aerospace and defense requires multiple and frequent rapid prototyping, in which additive manufacturing is one of the best methods of producing that. In addition to that, 3D printing can also provide functional parts that can be used in those industries, and not to mention that they are both strong and lightweight. For aerospace in particular, 3D printing isn't limited to just prototypes. Real functional parts can be printed and used in actual aircrafts. Another key industry in the 3D printing and additive manufacturing industries is in the industry of healthcare, and in particular dental. It's one of the fastest growing adopters of additive manufacturing, and 97% of medical additive manufacturing professionals are confident that the use of 3D printing will continue to increase within this sector. From medical devices to prosthetics to even bioprinting, the applications of additive manufacturing for the medical industry are versatile and wide-ranging. For example, 3D printing can be used to create custom prosthetics and orthopedic devices, and using certified biocompatible plastics or metal materials. When it comes to implants, 3D printing is currently used to create hip and knee joint replacements, cranial reconstruction implants, and spinal implants. The use of 3D printing in these particular procedures is highly customizable and can be fitted per case basis instead of having one size fits all, which isn't really a thing in medical industry. One key industry that is of interest and we have yet to touch upon yet is in signage, advertising, and in retail. 3D printing is transforming marketing and the way advertising and themed environments are created. 3D printing is capable of creating uniquely customized, powerful, and stunning eye catchers as per the client's need. Let's take into consideration, for example, a clothing retailer. 3D printing would allow that retailer to have unique mannequins in various body shapes and sizes in order to better display their wares. It would also allow that retailer to 3D print interior decorations on the spot and within their needs and designs. Throw in a few ornaments and some signage. For example, the navigation signage that you see in stores, as well as the branding signage that you see outside on the forefront, such as the main sign or the logos. That cannot be manufactured easily, but with 3D printing, you can make any shape and in any size you want. And there you have it. 3D printing has served that store better than any other industry is able to. Not only have we served this hypothetical retailer, but we have also given them the complete freedom to choose their own designs and bring them to life.
We would like to take this opportunity to introduce our company. My name is Mohammed Khalil, and I am a co-founder of Tourist General Trading. Tourist was established in 2020, and in a short period of time, we were able to serve our local community, and we had the chance to work on various challenging projects. Although our numbers are humble, we exceeded 30 clients, and many of them are returning. We printed more than 100 parts. We have two 3D printing technologies at the moment, which are stereolithography and FDM. We have a total of 9 machines, and we can print with 5 different materials, planning to grow them in the near future. Our mission is to empower creators and innovators to produce fast turnarounds, unique, high-quality products, and ease of reach for everyone. Our purpose is to open a gateway to a new scale of 3D printing, and our vision is to provide the creators with the ability to build big. Tourist General Trading was established in 2020 by a team of UAE-based 3D printing enthusiasts and engineers. We went to Khalifa University and we got to know each other. From there, Ahmed developed his passion for sales and marketing, and Umar and I deepened our expertise and understanding of 3D printing. We aspire to provide the region with leading quality 3D printing services, and to the best of our knowledge, we are also the first in the nation to design and manufacture our very own 3D printer. At Turus, we provide end-to-end 3D printing services, starting with CAD modeling, moving to 3D printing, and finally finishing. With the power of 3D printing, we can do rapid prototyping, scale modeling, and low-volume production. After months of working with clients, we saw a strong need for large-scale 3D printing. Although many large-scale 3D printers are available in the market, they are relatively expensive. And since we have the scientific foundation and expertise, we decided to take up the challenge of designing and manufacturing our own large-scale 3D printer. To the date of recording, we completed the design, ordered and manufactured the required parts, and now we are at the stage of assembly. With our 3D printing capabilities, we have served several industries ranging from decoration and signs to engineering and model making. Some of the projects that we worked on are decorative lighting, office reception signboard, ball shooter for an engineering project, and a mock-up model for an electrical system. In this keynote, we glimpsed at the growth of the commercial 3D printing industry. We also looked at the key industries that 3D printing will be playing a key role in. We hope that you benefit from this information, and we look forward to hear from you.